Hey everyone, so today we are going to be doing a part 2 of the washer and dryer that my mom had purchased for me and for the family on how's it going with it so far since it's been a month. Okay, so I will be letting y'all know. So far I am loving the 2 combo that my mom has purchased. I know a lot of you are been asking how's it going, how's are the washing going when you put loads in there, how's the drying goes, and all that nature. So far it's been great. It's the best investment that my mom did, because I don't have no washer and dryer like I said in the previous video. So yeah, the only thing that I've been seeing is that I don't like that if you do not have the washer in one setting, like inside, if it's not even, the whole entire washer is gonna tumble. It's gonna make this loud noise like it's ready to run out of the apartment. But other than that, it's great. It's convenient for RVs, apartments, hotels, whatever. You hook it up to your sink and wash your clothes. I have not yet tried a comforter. I have a king size bed, so I could just imagine if it will fit. I haven't tried it, but I have seen others have tried it. And also, somebody had commented and said that the washer and dryer that I have is the ones where it's the washer and then it's the spinner in the side. No, my washer and dryer is 2 different combos. Mine sits separate from the sink and the dryer is on top of my kitchen table because it's just a square box. So I have a long cord running from the dryer to the orange extension cord. So because in my apartment they're gonna be remodeling it, so this whole kitchen is probably gonna look different pretty soon. So which is, I'm happy. But the wash and dryer that I have is the ones where you can just load the clothes, load it on here, and call it a day. I do not have a spinner where it just spins and it doesn't dry your clothes and then you got to put it on the line. No, I have a washer where you wash your clothes separate and then you put whatever amount of level of water, and then you put the dry, once the the clothes finish, you put it in the dryer. You put it on 200 and it dries. I don't have that problem where it does not dry. Just the only thing, obviously, that goes for all dryers. Do not put too much because they all not gonna dry. You just put enough to where it'll dry. You know what I'm saying? So my husband, he's 6'5", so he's taller than me. So imagine his pants in that washing machine, and it fit perfectly fine. So it's not like I'm ready to put my tennis shoes in there to wash them because they're driving me crazy. So yeah, you just hook it up to the to the sink. You buy that little piece that you put into the sink. It's a special little piece. You go to Home Depot, you buy it, and you add it on there. Call it a day. And then you hook the hose from the washer to the sink. That's all you do. And I don't need to be going over here to add anything here because I don't need to. Because this is a washer. It does everything for me, and the dryer is right in front of me. And call it a day. Put it in the dryer and let it dry. I don't have a problem. So I don't have one of those washer and dryer where it's the 2-piece connected. I don't have that where you put it in the tub and whatnot. No, I don't. You can bring this with wheels and bring it to the tub and let the water drain out. Yes, you can. But I chose to be in the sink because it's better for me in my back. So yeah, So those of you that has been asking, it's been going great. I don't have no problem. Just the only thing, make sure that when you're washing your clothes, that they are leveled. Because if this tumbler is not leveled, it's gonna wobble all over like it wants to run out of the apartment. So look, my husband has these big ass sweaters. So I'm about to wash this. So mind you, what can go wrong? Nothing. Just put enough to the level of the water and call it a day. Put your soap, your softener, and call it a day. It's easy. Easy peasy. I love this investment. It's convenient for me. I can control the water. Whenever I don't need to use the to refill the water, turn it off. And then when it's ready to refill again, roll it right back up. Simple as that. But yeah, it's a great investment. Just the only thing, some pieces when you purchase these two items, because it's a combo, so it comes together, they do not come with the piece. I'm gonna show you. Let me see if I can show you the piece that you need for the sink. So this is the piece that you're gonna need depending on your sink's style or whatever. So you can go to Home Depot, you tell the Home Depot guy, bring the hose, as a matter of fact, from the washer, and you tell him, hey, I need the hookup for the sink. And you show them the size of your hose to your washer. Because that's how it's gonna determine how it's gonna sunk in, you know what I'm saying? Because the hose is gonna suck this piece here, and all that water is gonna come in through here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it was, I don't know how many times I gotta keep saying it, but it's great. I don't have no problem. It's electrical friendly. It saves energy. I don't know what else. I mean, I'm in an apartment, so it's not nothing glamorous. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a mansion where I got these nice fancy washer and dryers, but it does the job. Simple as that. I'm about to go wash some clothes, which is I should have been doing a long time ago, but so yeah. So comment down below, tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and share and save.